Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to bring to the attention our frame on our chassis. This is a powder coated process that is powder coated, and the powder coat does catch a portion of the interior of the frame, so you're going to get some protection in there from moisture and rust. Also, to keep in mind that these units are to order. So when we have a unit that is ordered from us, we then order the chassis. It comes in and it will not stay out in the elements for over 2 days. Most of the time it comes right into the building and they start the electrical process. So you're not going to get, we don't have a field full of these chassis out in the elements sitting there for weeks and months at a time. It's a per order because of our factory direct business model. That's the way we do things here and build our Luxe luxury fifth wheels. So I wanted to also make a correction. I mentioned that these steel tube framing is an extruded tube. It is not an extruded tube. It's a formed tube with a weld down the center. You can actually see that. So that is a correction that I needed to make. It is not an extruded metal. Our frames are built to our engineering specifications. Lippert makes our frames to our specifications. So when they come in, they are built for us and for us only. So hey, give us a call, ask us some questions about our processes at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.